Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I share my Yuletide Tarot Card Spread. This spread can be used on Winter Solstice or any time during the Yuletide season to look ahead to the return of the sun and provide inspiration and answers. Let's do some magical crafting. I will be using the Witchcraft tarot deck for this reading, and the cards will relate to both myself and this channel. Before I flip the first card, I wanted to let you know that if you pick up messages coming through that I miss in this reading, or have any wisdom to share about my year ahead or the channel, please let me know in the comments. My Yuletide spread focuses on 5 elements looking ahead into the new year, starting with what gifts I can give to others, followed by what gifts I need to receive. Next, I ask about the lessons that the darkness of winter can teach me, followed by what the sun will bring. And because Yule is a season of celebration, I look at what I will be celebrating in the coming year. I have created a printable worksheet of the tarot spread that I'm using here for my patrons. If you'd like to download a PDF of this worksheet, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs, and I'll continue to add new, downloadable content as I do more projects on the channel. The first position is what gifts I have to give others. The Prince of Cups is a card of the idealistic dreamer. It can also represent new creative ideas and the inspiration to make dreams into realities. This card tells me that I can offer creativity and inspiration to others, and I can build a harmonious, artistic community. The second position asks, what gifts do I need to receive? The World is a card of fulfillment and success. It relates to accomplishment, but also completion and closure, achieving a long-held dream or plan. This card relates to a long-held goal I've been planning for 2 years, and tells me I need to complete it in the first part of this year, my upcoming Oracle card project. It's something I very much want to complete this year, and I will begin the art for a 36 card deck in the coming year. The third position asks what lessons winter's darkness can teach me. The Fool is a card of new beginnings. It can indicate a new journey. The Fool is unworried as they head out into the world. This card tells me to have the courage to take risks and to go new places or try new things. But I must also be aware of the landscape and any pitfalls or cliffs that might be lurking ahead. The fourth position is what the sun will bring. The Seven of Wands is a card of overcoming obstacles. It's about challenges. The sun will bring me a struggle to maintain success, and the need to rededicate myself to my goals. This card indicates it will take effort and purpose to succeed. I may find myself defending myself against competition or envy. The fifth position is what celebrations are in store for me. The King of Wands relates to achievement, setting a goal and relentlessly pursuing it. This card tells me I'll be celebrating success, possibly something financial or relating to the arts. This card reminds me of the importance of celebrating achievements and acknowledging the work that they take before moving on to the next project or goal. If you stuck with me this far, thank you. I want to know what you think of this Yuletide Tarot reading. Do you think it was positive or negative overall? I'm really interested to hear your opinions in the comments. I'd love to know how you think this reading may affect the channel as well. Let me know if you picked up on messages coming through the cards that I missed.